CELPIP Speaking, Common Phrases and Idioms to Impress. Hello students. In the CELPIP Speaking Test, your goal is to communicate clearly, naturally, and effectively. One of the best ways to show that you're comfortable with English is by using common phrases and idiomatic expressions correctly. Why does this matter? Using phrases and idioms can make your speech sound more natural, show a higher level of vocabulary, help you score better in the vocabulary and coherence criteria. What are phrases and idioms? Phrases are short groups of words used commonly in conversation. For example, to be honest, in my opinion. Idioms are expressions whose meanings aren't always obvious from the words. For example, break the ice equals to start a conversation in a friendly way. Common phrases to use in speaking tasks. These phrases help you organize your answers, express opinions, and add fluency. 1. To start your answer. To be honest, I think. From my perspective. In my experience. 2. To give an example. For instance. A good example is. Let me give you a personal example. 3. To show contrast or change. On the other hand. However. That being said. 4. To summarize your answer. All in all. To sum up. Overall, I believe. Useful idioms that sound natural in CELPIP. Here are some idioms that are commonly used in everyday English and can impress the examiner if used appropriately. This table introduces common English idioms, phrases that have meanings different from their literal words. For example, break the ice doesn't mean cracking ice. It refers to starting a conversation in a friendly way, like telling a joke in a meeting. A piece of cake means something is very easy, such as using a simple app. If someone hits the nail on the head, they're exactly right about something. Feeling sick. You'd say you're under the weather. When something is an arm and a leg, it's extremely expensive. To go the extra mile means putting in extra effort, while once in a blue moon describes rare events. Finally, it's the ball is in your court. It's your turn to decide or act. Learning these idioms will make your English sound more natural and expressive. When to use idioms in CELPIP speaking. Use them only when they sound natural in your response. Here's how. Practice scenario. Task 1. Giving advice. Prompt. Your friend is feeling nervous about a job interview. Sample answer. To be honest, I think you should try to relax before the interview. Maybe take a walk or listen to music to calm your nerves. You could also break the ice with the interviewer by mentioning something friendly at the start. Common mistakes to avoid. This table shows common mistakes students make when using idioms in their writing or speaking, and how to fix them. First, stuffing too many idioms into one answer can sound unnatural, so it's better to limit yourself to just 1 to 2 idioms per task to keep your language smooth and clear. Second, don't force an idiom if it doesn't fit. Only use idioms when they feel natural and match the situation. Finally, be careful not to use idioms incorrectly. Always study their exact meaning and context before including them in your work. By avoiding these mistakes, your English will sound more fluent and polished. Final practice tip. Make a list of 10 to 15 idioms and phrases. Practice speaking responses using 1 to 2 of them. Record yourself and check if they sound natural. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel.